Look at this freaking box. So I got new ProTaper bars for my dirt bike because I've been needing them like desperately for a while now. Like, this is the product I ordered. And just look at this enormous freaking box.
Look at that.
I did get my new ProTaper bars, so that's exciting. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be working on the dirt bike. I'm going dirt biking tomorrow with Richard, so I'll also be posting a video on that, so stay tuned for that. But we're going to be installing new ProTaper bars and replacing the and then we'll also be replacing the spark plug. Okay, real quick before we get started, Super Clean is doing a giveaway. So you're going to be eligible for, I think it's a can of aerosol and then spray and like one other thing. And if you don't know what Super Clean is, it's a cleaner and degreaser that you can use for pretty much anything. I use it on my motorcycles. So all you have to do is be subscribed and then comment down below, and I'll just do a randomized pick of someone that's commented. Contact Super Clean and they'll send some product your way. Let's not cut myself here. Work smarter, not harder, Zach. Just use wire cutters. There we go. So much easier. This is why I don't have a gym membership. Just go work on your bike. It's plenty of a workout.
Nice.
One last thing before we go, I wanted to shout out Eric from Kraken Adventures. He's also doing like Harley builds and Harley rides, and he also rides like adventure bikes, and he's got like a, I think it's like a 150cc little like Grom style bike. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but he has some cool content. He's a super cool guy, and you should go check out his channel. All right, that's gonna do it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be me taking the dirt bike out on the trails, and if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers, guys.